Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today I am going to tell you about some trick that is regarding the finding the square of some numbers that is ending with 5. So it's going to be a very interesting video for you because time is everything. So within 2 seconds you will be able to find the square of any number ending with 5. Let's say 25. So we are going to find, first take the square of 5, then 2 along with its next number 3. Multiply these two, and 5, take the square of 5, that is 25, and 3 2s are 6. So write 6, that is the square of 25, 625. Let's check the other one, number 55. Take the square of 5, that is 25, and 5 next number, 5 along with its next number. When they multiply, 5 6 is 30, so write the 30 in front of it. This is simply its square. Let's find the 75 square. So we will first of all take 5 square, that is 25. So 7 to be multiplied with its next number, that is 8. 7 8s are 56. So this is it. Now let's check for 95, the square of 5. Okay, so we can see the square of 5 here, and that is 25, and 9 to multiply with its next number, 10. So 9 tens are 90. The 90 we will write here, and 9025 is its square. Dear students, now let me introduce you to another fantastic trick that is so easy and so shortcut, which can save you from more calculations which are time consuming. To find a square of a number which is not associated with only number ending with 5. So now it's open. It's not ending with 5, it's 47. So 47 square, how do we find? We will take the square of 7 and the square of 4. 7 sevens are 49 and 4 4s are 16. But there is another step. So 4 multiply 7 multiply these two, all the three numbers to multiply. 2 sevens are 14, 14 4s are 56. We have to add 56 into it. 56 in the middle, not on unit, not on the thousandth column. So add them, you will get the answer. 9 6 10 1 6 2s are 12, 2 1 carry 2. So 2209 is the square of 47. Now find the square of 64. How do we do? So for this, you can see that we have to take square of both 4 and 6. 4 4 16, 6 6 are 36. Now we have to multiply 6 with 4 and with 2. So 2 4s are 8, 8 6 are 48. So we got 48. We have to write it under this and add it up. 8 plus 1 9, 10 1 4. So 4096 is the answer. Isn't it easy? 14 14 sevens are 98. So 98 to be added here. This is 9 12 9 5. So 5929 is the answer. Now we have to learn trick number 3, that is again very easy and very interesting with less time consumption. So 47, this time we are taking the number which are nearer to 50, like 47 square. Now 3 less than 50, so we will take 3 square, and that is 9, but we have to write 2 digits, 09, and then 3, it is less 3, so from 25 we will subtract 3, and 25 minus 3 become 22. So 2209, this is what? This is the square of that. Now try to understand. And this is very easy. 54 square, it is also nearer to 50. It is 4 more than 50, so 4 square is 16. And 25, because it is more, so plus 4, so that is 29. So 29 16 is the square of this. And we have 58, for example, square. How do we find? It is 8 more than 50, so 8 square we will take. 8 8 is 64, and as it is 8 more, so it should be 8 should be added into 25, 33. So 33 64 is the square of 58. Isn't it interesting? Students, now we are going to find the shortcut trick, random number multiplication. So here we will take those numbers that are nearer to 100, like 102. Another number is 103. Now this is, that 2 more than 100, and this is 3 more than 100. We will multiply 2 into 3. Multiplying this, we will get 3 twos are 6, but we will take 2 digits, and that is 06. And now after that, we will add these two, or we can add these two. In both cases, answer will be same. 103 plus 2 become 105. Isn't it easy multiplying these two numbers? Let's take another two numbers, 110 and 114. So this is 10 more than 100, and this is 14 more than 100. Now multiplying these two numbers, what we get? So we get 14 tens are 140, but this one we will take there and we'll add it to these two. So 114 plus 10 is 124, plus 1 125. So this is what is the answer. So let's take another two numbers, and in those two numbers, 98 and 96. This is 2 less than 100, and this is 4 less than 100. We will multiply these two and write in 2 digits. 4 twos are 8, so we will write 08. And then 96 minus 2, as this is less than, or 98 minus 4. In both cases, we will get 94. So that is the answer. Let's try 93 and 95. These are both nearer to 100, but this is 7 less and this one is 5 less. So multiply these two. 7 5s are 35. Now subtract this. 95 minus 7, it is 88. And this is the multiplication of these two numbers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the videos and share with your friends.